how to download GTA San Andreas in your PC. So in this video, I'm gonna be telling you about how you can download GTA San Andreas, the most OG game in your PC, and for you to play this game and enjoy this game in your free time. So yes, let's get started. Just open any browser or Google Chrome or any browser you like and search for Steam. Once you are in Steam, make sure you log in your main account. Then search for Grand Theft Auto San. Once you do this, here you will see Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Just click on this and you can buy this from here. You have to purchase this game if you want to play for lifetime. You have to pay for this game and purchase this game. Once you do this, once you done the payment, this game will be added to your library and will be ready to play. So yes, this was it for today's video, and this is how you can get GTA San Andreas on your PC. So if you like this video, consider subscribing, leave a like, comment, and thanks for watching.